This week is brought to you by Taco Boys. First restaurant located at My Street and 50th Street. Thank you, Taco Boys. Liza Lori, real estate agent with EXP Realty. Michael Kitchen by Boss Archie and Mom Jane. 812 Mortgage Halifax by Ken Martinez and Michelle Cacta, all the way from Halifax.
Winter to spring basketball.
And Acevedo Property in the Cricket Rental.
Proudly presented by Taco
And a special shout out for sponsors.
Get ready for another electrified and community partners will launch season 7 of the Winter to Spring Basketball League, powered by our incredible
Realty.
Taco Boys.
Special shout out
Taco Boys isn't just
thank
supporting
you for
the
sponsoring
league,
sports
they're
tonight.
bringing the flavor, the energy, and
Scorpio,
passion
tonight.
all season long. This season,
Manood po yan, pre. Hanggang part 3 yan, pre. Napanood po yan.
Presenting the 2026 FBL Winter Spring League Season 7 sponsors.
Let's
Want
go!
to give a huge thank you to our incredible service sponsors who make this season possible.
Just a reminder, guys,
Glaze
let's
Amori,
keep this,
real estate agent with EXP
sweet and
Realty
fun.
2. Viscount Kitchen by Power Couple Archie and Jane Poller and 3. A12 Mortgage, Halifax by Ken Martinez and Laysol Tector 4. Acevedo
And just a
Property
reminder,
Equipment Rentals.
Please
Fredericton
respect the
Housing.
referee's decision. Referee's decision is final. They are here for a reason. And sa substitution, guys, punta kayo sa harap ng committee.
So if I tell you you're not allowed to speak anymore, we go with that?
No. Let's go! I know. I know you're so. Guys, a reminder, score tonight, the scoreboard, you're home. Team point, scoreboard, you're yes. Okay? Reminder lang, okay, Marito.
Amoy Pinas, no? Amoy Pinas.
Natutulog
Amoy
dito.
Pinas.
Jet lag ako tulog.
Let's go! Scorpion Knights home. The scoreboard. Team points. Yes, the scoreboard. Let's go! Ayan, nawala na. Yes, boys! Please! Magkano pala ka? Bernard. Sera kay Jet. Binigay ulit kay Bernard. Bernard, sumalaksak. Sinangka. And a foul! Early foul ka agad. Taas kamay, foul. Taas kamay. 15 first round. Jonathan. First team foul. Team point. Inbound, Adrian. To number 12. Number 12, Sumamada. Wala. Bernard, the rebound. Nice hustle there by Scorpio Knights. Jay, wala. Rebound, nice by Jay. Ganda ng hustle ng Scorpio Knights. Adrian, all alone. No good. Oy, nice kick by Boju. Nice cheese to Kevin. First 2 points of the ball game by Kevin. Jay Tumira! Bang, Jay! First basket of the ball game by Jay.
Go! On your...
Let's see the number 12. Why did he Jay pa? It's okay.
Baba!
Jeremy! Uy! Ang ganda naman! Nice piece of Jeremy! To Jonathan, first basket of the ball game. Jonathan.
Nice!
Jay na naman! Back-to-back 3 by Jay!
Depensa! Taas kamay!
Kentoy! Uy! Ako naman! Sabi ni Kentoy! Masyado malakas. It's okay.
Nice! Diretso!
Jay in the rebound! Jay! Uy! And the ball will remain with 49. 2-point lead. Scorpion Knights. Ano ba yung Scorpion Knights? Alam mo yan. Bilangga, 3-3 at wala. Nakuha ni Bernard. Bernard, tumira. Wala! Jeremy with the rebound. Jeremy setting up to Ball U. Ball U. Sizing up the defense. Kevin hesitated. Kevin, inside pass to Jonathan. Jonathan back to Kevin. No good. Rebound by Bernard. Bernard setting up. Bernard, kick out to number 12. Number 12! Aye! No good! Rebounded. Ball U. Oh, nice steal by Bernard! Oh, defense by Scorpion Knights. No foul. Out of bounds. The ball will go to team point. 6 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Scorpion Knights leading by 2 points. One U break from the Philippines. Yes, to Ball U attacking. Ball U to Kevin. Again, another basket by Kevin. We have a Delta 5-ball game at 6. Jay. Parang hinihinga na si Jason na. Okay ka lang, pre? Whoa! Nothing but air. Eh, wala tayong striker, pre. Parang ko yan. Out of bounds. Dito kaya. Para makita kayo tayo. Substitution, look at the referee. So they can see you and so they can let you in. Okay ka lang. Sorry. Jeremy sizing on the defense. Jeremy attacking. Kick out to Kevin again! Si Kevin lang ang kumakamada sa team point. 4 of 4. Si Kevin. Jay, ayan na naman si Jay sa maraw! Oh my God! Si Jay naman ang kumakamada sa Scorpion Knights. 3 of 3 from the 3-point line si Jay. Bang! Jeremy, cycling up the defense. Jeremy! What a shot! First basket of the ball game by Jeremy.
2 points.
Ball you! Nice feed from inside! Oh my God! What a shot! Ball you to Kevin! Jay!
Apat na.
Jay! Kung ano ba yung vitamin stroke eh? Oh! What a answer by Jeremy! Jay, kung ano ba yung vitamin stroke eh? Bibili ako yan. Wow! Nice feed! Masyadong malakas! Okay lang yan. Oh! Nice pass! Baba! Ulang sila! First personal, second team foul. Oh, Bernard, possible 2-point play.
Go.
Possible 3-point play, Bernard. Oh, sayang, Jeremy all the way. With the back, with the step, masyadong mahina. Godwin to number 12. Nice feed from Godwin to number 12. 3-man lead. Kala ko alley-oop eh. Oh, you! Dito ako, sorry. Oh my God! That's what you call a low-look pass. Wala nakakita. Blind pass siyempre, blind pass, wala nakakita. Godwin, and, oh, jump ball. A black ball, that ball will remain, it's Scorpion Knight. Bernard attacking, Bernard, in the side step, Bernard, no good. Uy, wala, nakuha na yung shit. Bernard ulit, hindi kay Godwin. Godwin! Holy shot! Holy shot from Godwin, first basket of the ball game. Over. Jeremy, no good, masyadong lakas, too strong. Jay with the rebound. Jay, all the way, no good. Volume, wala ka lang. Ikindihan namin, pre. That's not real.
Time out lang.
Time out! Scorpion Knights!
Stop ba? Ha? Yung time out?
1 point lead lang, Scorpion Knights, in favor of Scorpion Knights. Top lock ba?
Yeah, just a moment.
It will adjust, we adjusted, sorry. And a quick shout out to Taco Boys 2026 FPL League sponsors. Live Valori from EXP Realty, Viscount Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax, and as a better property and equipment rentals. Thank you guys. Let's go! Less than 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Okay, na very easy.
Ha?
Okay yan.
Basta may number. Oo, basta may number.
William going in. Oh my God! Si Vince naman! Vince! First three of the ball game! Oh, bumawi naman si Number 10. Masyado ka lakas na lang. Grabe ang Scorpion Knights. Pinakawala na tayo ng press. Nakawala ka naman ng payo. Oy! Si Darwin na naman! Nice hustle! And the ball will remain with the Scorpion Knights.
30 seconds. Yeah.
Sino na ba last shot?
Stop yan.
Darwin, pride of USC! Darwin! What a shot! Well, you! And a foul. Darwin ang makapasok sa lahat. First person na kagad.
What's up?
Pasok pa rin. First personal, Darwin.
Pasok. 18.
And that is the end of the first quarter!
Repeat lang po dun. No.
Labang ng apat, Scorpion Knights!
Boys Winter to Spring Basketball League, Season 7, proudly presented by Taco Boys, official title sponsor. Get ready for another electrifying season of fast breaks, big shots, and community pride as we launch Season 7 of the Winter to Spring Basketball League, powered by our incredible title sponsor, Taco Boys. Taco Boys isn't just supporting the league. They're bringing the flavor, the energy, and the heat all season long. This season, every week.
Yeah.
White ball, guys. White. Let's go! Start of the second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang apat. 4 points lead in favor of Scorpion Knights. Kaya-kaya pa yan. 10 points. Apat lang yan.
Okay. Start.
Jeremy with the spin. Jeremy with a shot. Jeremy. Oh, Jeremy with the rebound. Jeremy. To Vince. 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 Uy, nagkarabang isa. Si Vince na lang. Uy, nakuha. Nice defense. Kevin. Kevin. Lumibat. Palakas. Darwin. Darwin. Jeremy, oh, too strong, 25, got the ball, to Vince, to Darwin, Darwin! First 3 points of one game by Darwin. 26 na, 26. 7 point lead, Scorpion Knights. Darwin, ako mo na! Darwin, back-to-back 3! Ang ganda naman ang pasok ng second quarter para sa Scorpion Knights. Ayun ba yun? Yung ba yun nagdalaan sa batas o ano? And that shot is brought to you by the new shoes.
Practice kagabi.
Darwin with the new shoes. Let's go!
Five minutes and half time.
Oo, nalang sa palo si Darwin. Nakayos pa. Oo, ganda. Williams, setting up Jeremy from way down, Jeremy! First 3 points of the ball, second quarter for Jeremy. 7 points each for tonight. Kiring tumira, naglag. Alfred, with the rebound. Williams, to Jeremy again, I got this! No good. Scorpion Knights still leading by 7 points. Oli setting up. Oli guarded by number 10. Oli. Hey! Williams na talaman! Out of bounds. Okay lang yung plan. Yari yung plan. Williams, number 10, number 10, number 10! Pasok! First basket by number 10, JN. Si Darwin! Oy, sumablay naman! Uy, nice defense! Ganda na ng hustle ni Kevin doon. Number 10, JN. Binigay! Uy, kala ko din naman si Alfred. Oli guarded by Jeremy. Vince! Substitution. And the ball will remain with the Scorpion Knights. Five points lead, Scorpion Knights. Adrian, back to Vince. Oh, what a shot by Vince! Ayan na si Alfred. Foul play, the defense is FFA daw. Black 69. Darwin, second personal na Darwin Second personal Darwin. First team foul. Scorpion Knights. Uy, masyado na. Williams, wala shot! Williams! And a foul!
Black line 27. Hold.
27, last naman, 27. Kasi Oli, first personal Oli, first personal, second team foul. Score tonight. It's okay. Substitution. Jonathan going for 8 point lead score tonight. Malayo-layo pa yan, pero kaya yan, 3 points. Jeremy, to the step. William, alone! And a foul! Nice hustle there by Jonathan.
Just a moment.
Substitution. Free man going in for
Basho.
Basho.
Ball.
Steven, ito ba?
Yes? But then ako na.
Jonathan.
Pumasok.
Serve. Jonathan! Uy, sayang sa kaya pareho. Free-man in the rebound. Darwin, private Andy. Darwin with a cross. Darwin with a shot. Darwin, no good. Rebound at Alfred. Jeremy also passed it. Jeremy bounce pass too. Uy, the gun of the last. William! Oh, Jordy. It's your birthday.
Time out na lang kami. Time out. Okay.
First basketball game by Williams.
Backward!
Boy, William again! Alfred to Jeremy with an easy game. Time out! 49! 4-point lead na lang ang Scorpio Knights. Pero kaya pa yan. And a quick shout out sa ating mga sponsors again, Taco Boys Federation, Liza Lori from EXP Realty, White Down Kitchen, 812 Mortgage Halifax as a better property equipment rental. And yung sponsor daw ng Scorpio Knights, Boston and Gohan. Thank you for supporting the team. Let's go back to the ball game!
Acknowledge discount.
Shout out sa CEO, Boss RT, CEO from Breakout Kitchen. Boss RT in the house. Adrian! Come downtown, no good, so strong, Jeremy! Oh, Jeremy lost it. Oh, no, I can say it in the white team. Jeremy. Inbound to William. William on the way. Oh, nice! Block and a foul. Pero pa rin, friend. Pogi ko na nga, di ko na makasigilan. Okay. Yes, first personal. Third team foul. Scorpio Knights.
Rebound!
Ay! Masyado malakas.
Baba!
William! save. First basket in the second quarter by Kenkoy. Bernard, ay wala! Bernard, wala ka! Bernard, out of bounds! And the ball will go to the team point. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter. 4-point lead for tonight. Team point. Playing close to behind. Jonathan, guarded by Jet. Jonathan, oh yes, foul. Warning for penalty for tonight. Second personal Jet. Warning for penalty for tonight. Jonathan for 2. Yes, sir!
First, second, third.
2 of 2 from the free throw line, Jonathan. 2-point lead. Last shot na kaya. Score tonight. Makakapag na kaya ang team point. Jay, quick release. Uy, sumablay naman si Jay. Freeman! Jay! Nakakapag kay Freeman! Two shots for Jonathan with a chance to cut the lead by 2 points. Uy! Masyado malakas. One of 2, Jonathan from the free throw line.
2026, Taco
That is the end of the second quarter.
Season 7.
Scorpion Knights still leading by 3 points.
Official title
Lagay ka na lang ng
sponsor.
dito na.
Get ready for another electrifying season of fast breaks, big shots, and community pride as we launch Season 7 of the Winter to Spring Basketball, powered by our incredible title sponsor, Taco Boys. Taco Boys isn't just supporting the league. They're bringing the flavor, the energy, and the heat all
And
season.
again, a big shout out to our referee.
Every win
Guys,
is better.
thank you.
Presenting the
thank you, guys,
2026 FBL Winter Spring League Season 7 sponsors, we want to give a huge thank you to our incredible silver sponsors who make this season possible. 1. Glaze Lori, real estate agent with EXP Realty 2. Viscount Kitchen by power couple Archie and Jane Pollard 3. A12 Mortgage, Halifax by Ken Martinez and Laysol Tector 4. Acevedo Property and Equipment Rentals. Fredericton Housing Solutions. We are still looking for businesses who want to sponsor or partner with FBL. Email us at ffcbl2018@gmail.com.
Can I put this here? My vlog. TikTok.
But how can you move it?
This side. Our side only, man. It's okay here?
Yeah.
Okay, are you sure? Thank you.
Okay.
Robot. No battery, huh? I was trying to see how many free.
You have the charger? Just,
Yeah. I didn't bring it. Oh. Okay. Take care of this.
Yeah.
Taco Boys, Winter to Spring Basketball League, Season 7, proudly presented by Taco Boys, official title sponsor. Get ready for another electrifying season of fast breaks, big shots, and community pride as we launch Season 7 of the Winter to Spring Basketball League, powered by our incredible title sponsor, Taco Boys. Taco Boys isn't just supporting the league. They're bringing the flavor, the energy, and the heat all season long. This season, every win tastes better with tacos.
Presenting the 2026 FBL Winter Spring League Season 7 sponsors, we want to give a huge thank you to our incredible silver sponsors who make this season possible. 1. Glaze Lori, real estate agent with EXP Realty. 2. Viscount Kitchen by power couple Archie and Jane Poller. And 3. 812 Mortgage, Halifax by Ken Martinez and Laysol Tector. 4. Acevedo Property and Equipment Rentals. Fredericton Housing Solutions. We are still looking for businesses who want to sponsor or partner with FBL. Email us at ffcbl2018@gmail.com.
Sarap mo na. Gin Pub. Sa best player dito mo interview na para makita.
Let's go! Start of the second half, third quarter. Georgia Knights still leading by 3 points. Isang press lang yan ng team points. And of course, quick shoutouts muna sa ating sponsors. Taco Boys! Liza Lori! Viscount Kitchen, 812 Mortgage, Halifax, Acevedo Property, Mr. Restaurant. Thank you guys for your support. Let's go!
Time.
Bernard to Freeman with a fake, Freeman with a shot! Oh, too soft. Alfred! Uy! Alam mo din, wala lang sila. Bernard attacking! Bernard! And a foul! 21 lang Kevin, first personal. First team foul, team point. Bernard to Butcher. Yes, sir! Uy, masyado malakas ang pangalawa. Baba. Jeremy. Oh, what a cross by Jeremy! And a feed from Kevin! What a feed from Jeremy to Kevin! Jay with a spin! Jay with a step back! Jay to Freeman with a shot! Freeman! May swerte kung batang to. What a shot by Freeman! And the ball remains a team point. 4-point team na naman! Ang Scorpion. What you? Fly red to Kevin. Uy! Favorite siya si Kevin. No foul. Out of bounds. Jeremy. Kids! Right lang, bakit natin? Inasakto.
Kid.
Kids! Inasakto, kids! Sino ba magulang yan? Jeremy! Rebounded! Freeman! Ito na kayo, makik natin! Jay! Uy! Iniwan na naman kanina si Jay! Jay, uy, sumasay! Oh, nice defense! Fire, 49! Tope! Inom ka naman, Tope? Kamarang bawa, sige na nga. Sabi mo eh. First personal, Tope. First team foul, team point. Ay, second team foul na pala. Defense by Kevin! Clean block!
Remain ito.
Guys, substitution, dito kayo sa committee para makita kayo ng referee. Uy, nice defense! Hindi ka namuha! Sige kayo sa referee para makita kung baka pahuli na kayo. Adrian going in for Jess. Labang pa rin ang apat. Fortunate. William, mag-isa lang! Ako na lang! Ayan! Si Kevin naman daw! Kevin! Never say die talaga, Kevin! Second basket of the quarter for Kevin. Lamang na lang ng dalawa! Scorpion Knight! With a chance to tie up the ball game or take the lead for team point. Jeremy with a shot, no good. Rebound with the rebound and a foul. Look. First personal, Alfred. First, third team foul. Darwin, ayan na naman, Darwin! Tigahan ang papasahan, binigay kay Jay! Jay! Wow! Masyado malayo! And the ball will go to the white team point. With a chance to tie up the ball game to take the lead. William! Uy! To Alfred! Oh my God! Ayan na nga tayo! We have a tie ball game! What's tonight? Number 25, Steven! First verse of the ball game by Steven. Jeremy, last play. And one! Nice speed! 24, Adrian. First personal Adrian, first team foul, Scorpion Knight. Ano ba? Wala si Darwin! Ang ganda ng bigayan! Ang ganda naman ng bigayan! Ben! Masyado malakas! Adrian! Namang na naman ang dalawa, Scorpion Knight. Darwin, wala! Rebound 25! Wow! Steven for the save! Second basket of the ball game by Steven. Jeremy! Kevin! Ako naman! Sa tres! Wala! Steven with the rebound. Ganun lang, apat na naman ang labang Scorpion. Sige po na Adrian! Adrian with a three! Bumulusok bigla ang Scorpion Knight! First personal foul, DJ. Second team foul, Scorpio Knights. Quick shout out ulit, Taco Boys, Fredericton, Liza Lowry, from EXP Realty, and Boss RT in the house. Boss RT, 812 Morgan Califax as a better property and equipment rental. Thank you for your support. To the lead. 2 minutes, 41 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Pumulusok na naman ang Scorpio Knights. 7-point lead. William inbounding. William, point to Kevin. Nice pass. Nakulong. Binigay kay Von Yu. Yes, sir. Ang hirap ng tila ngayon. Von Yu for a three. Darwin. Well guarded by number 10. Darwin, pressure. Big. Godwin again. Masyadong mahina. It's okay. It's alright. William. Jeremy, guarded by Darwin. And a screen. William, nakawala. Kabasang depensa. Big, mahina. Wala. Godwin with the hustle. Nice hustle by Freeman. Adrian from way downtown. No good. William with the winner. William. Freeman, first personal Freeman. Third team foul. 49. William, for 2. But isa lang dalawa, no? You know, William, it's your birthday. We got a party like it's your birthday. Go. Yes, sir! 2 of 2 from the free throw line to William. Darwin! Uy! Nakawala! Nice defense! May 3 point! Ayan na si Kevin! Eto na naman tayo! Deadlock na naman! Ganun lang! Kapyas ang namang ng Scorpio Knights! Vince, wala! Vince, tumira! Vince! Oh my God! Nice rebound by Freeman! Oh my God! Ang ganda ng bigayan ng panahong team! What a hustle by both teams! Lamang na naman ang Scorpio Knights ang dalawa. Pero ang finish na walang team point. And again, I think shout out our sponsor, Taco Boys, Fredericton, Liza Lowry, Boss RT in the house.
Sa Facebook ba? Ay, mga logo doon eh.
812 Morgan Califax as a better property equipment rental. And the sponsors ng Scorpio Knights, Boston, and Gorham Realty.
2026 Taco Boys Winter to Spring Basketball League. Season 7, proudly presented
Presenting the 2026 FBL Winter Spring League Season 7 sponsors, we want to give a huge thank you to our incredible service sponsors who make this tea and equipment rentals, Fredericton Housing.
Neng! Kanino ba anak yan? Neng! Kanino ba anak yan? Ingat lang tayo. Oli, ingat sa pasa. Oli, dikit na niya. Jeremy! Uy! Nabasa! Ang ganda! Ayan! Nice hustle by the Scorpion Knights. Big. Godwin, back to Big. Big, sumatake. Big, signal. Oli, sumatake. Masuk ka lang. Nakuha pa rin. Godwin, ticket. 225. And the ball will remain with the Scorpion Knights.
Ano ba yung shot clock natin? 5 minutes?
5 minutes. Last 5 minutes.
Inbounding Jet. Jet to Big Samalon. Oh my God! Nice shot by Big! Jeremy Lakers!
Dami ng post ah.
Oli na kulong! Oh, out of bounds! Out of bounds! The ball will go to team point. Nice ball. Nice ball. Team point. Jeremy attacking! Jeremy!
53 Ramon. 53. 52.
Dos lang. Kevin, uy, masyado ka lang. Ang ganda sana ng pili ko yun. Oli, ako na lang, Oli! Uy, masyado malakas. Remind me, both teams, they have two timeouts. Jeremy attacking, Jeremy with a shot. Jeremy, wala! Oy, ingat lang. Wait. Man down. Ingat lang. Ay, pulikat.
Germa yan? Ha? Germa yan?
Hindi, pulikat bro. Pinulikat pagbaba niya.
Ano yung sa bagtas?
Ingat lang tayo, guys. Ingat lang. Guys, be careful. We have work tomorrow. You have work tomorrow. No EI. Ingat. Ayan na, wala. Bonju, second personal, first team foul. Wait guys.
Sub.
Both teams, you have a 2 timeouts. Both teams have 2 timeouts each.
Lubos mo kami.
Ayaw nyo, bahala kayo. Hindi na kikero, yan. Berna na kulong. Nawala! Nakuha! Ni Adrian! Pinila! Wala! Nakuha ni Jeff! Binigay na rin! Wala pa rin! Berna! Tulipal! Berna! Natapit! That's okay! Bawi lang! Adrian to win! Nice screen from... Ay! Nabasa! Nabasa! Jeremy! Together! Nice feed! Steven.
5 minutes mo, 5 minutes.
Steven, first personal. First right, Adrian. Adrian! Uy, sayang! Masyado na lang.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Jeremy!
Push.
Foul ba? Foul. Adrian.
Adrian, foul.
Second personal, Adrian. Second team foul. Coach Unite. Alfred inbounding. Boju. Tumalaksak. Boju nakabala. Boju. Ay, masyado malakas. Bin. Naman, Bin. Kinuhan. Maprotect niya. Kinuhan si Freeman, the second personal foul. Third team foul.
Focus ko na dito.
JS, the passing of 3-point play. Ilalabang ata ang ating point.
Kasi yan ang official.
Uy, sayang! Tabla na naman tayo! Ang ganda na naman yung kaya naman yung team. Jay with a cross. Jay with a wide shot. No good. Kevin. No good. Kevin rebound. Adrian. Bernard. Freeman. Oh, what a shot by Freeman. Nice, Stephen Jones. No good. Sabi mo dyan. Jonathan looking for JN. 2-point lead na naman for tonight. Guys, reminder, 5 minutes. Shot clock tayo 5 minutes. Shot clock. Good! Bernard, saan ba si paring Bernard? Bernard, first. Ay, second. Bernard, second personal.
Oh.
Oh, what a feed! No good! Jeremy with a cross. Kevin. And a foul! Sino yung foul? Taas ka ba yung foul? Jet, third personal, warning for penalty. Scorpion Knight, warning for penalty. Scorpion Knight. Reminder guys, chat clock tayo, 5 minutes ha. Kevin. There's a whistle. That basket is good.
Counted.
Basket is good. Basket is good. Oh, what a shot by Jeremy! Ayan na, lumabang na! Ang lead point! Nakuha pa! Jeremy with a shot! Yo! Masyado malakas. Oy, nice steal by Bonju! Wow, what a shot by Jonathan from a feed by Bonju! Very nice. Nice one! Ayan, medyo nawawala na ang momentum ni Jay. Laban team point. Time out, my team. Scorpio Knight, you have 2 timeouts left. Team point, you have 1 timeout left. And a reminder lang, our next games are the Tito teams. Mga Tito teams natin, Aqua Division. Sino yung mga yun? Capital Ballers? Capital Ballers versus Point 5. Sige, stretch nyo muna yung mga tuhod nyo dyan. Alam nyo, mamayangan nyo dyan, ibigin pa kayo Jeremy, lamang pa rin ang dalawa, ang team point. Jeremy, the way down, Jeremy! Kitang-kita na lang dito. Nice shot! Lamang na ng 5. 5 point lead, team point. Bernard, Darwin! Ako naman! No good! Steven! For the save! What a save by Steven! 3-point lead! Jeremy again! Jeremy with a set! Jeremy with a shot! No good! Bernard with the save! Football record. Number 9, Kentoy. Ano ba si Kentoy? First personal Kentoy, second team foul. Darwin prize at USP. Yes. Ay, wala. Darwin, what a two from the free throw line, Darwin. Guarded by Volume. Darwin, I got this. Darwin, no good. Freeman got it. Freeman lost it. Volume gets it. Wait. For the save. No move. 4-point game. 3 points. Darwin with the 3! Ang ganda ng laban! 1-point lead, 3 points! Jeremy attacking! Jeremy nakawala! Darwin! Dumating ko lang! Wala! Less than 2 minutes! Jeremy, may shot clock tayo guys, reminder, may shot clock. Jeremy. Nice hustle there, by Volume. Jeremy, that's one. And a foul! Penalty sila. 12 laps in here. Darwin. Penalty. 40 shot. Penalty na, Scorpio Knight, 40 shot. Penalty. What's your timeout time? Uy!
Ano yan eh? Sino yun?
2-point lead.
May bagong Scorpio Knight sa Viva Max eh. Oh, si Juan.
2-point lead.
Si Joyce.
3 points.
Saka si Mark. Ayun.
And again, a big shout out to our sponsors, Taco Boy, Glider, Robbie, and from the Realty, Michael Kitchen, care of Water. 812 Mortgage Halifax as a better sponsor. Thank you for supporting the league. 1 minute, 23 seconds remaining in the last quarter. Team points leading by 2 points. Scorpion Knights trailing closely behind. Isang dos lang yan o isang tres para sa laban. Inbound jet. Bernard. Guarded by Jelly. Nice feed by Jet. Bernard. Bernard. 21 si Bonibel. Bonibel. Ay, Kevin. Kevin, second personal. Si Bonibel. 21 daw. 13 foul last 3 points, 13 foul. Bernard, possible 3-point play. Yes, sir! Guarded by Darwin. Ako naman! Sabi ni Jonathan! Possible 3-point play naman, Jonathan! Uy, sayang! Lamang ng isa! Steven! Si Jet ang wala! Ay nalaklong! Steven! Penalty sila, penalty kayo.
Bonus. Ay. Ang sportsman yan. Wow. Anak ko.
Steven, second personal. Penalty pa rin. Kevin, yes sir!
Time out. Pag pumasok, ay ita.
Scorpion Knights! Kevin, you are quick on the finger line. 3-point lead! 3-point lead! 3 points!
May chance pang maka-overtime pag na 3 points si Idol. Si Idol sitira niyan. Idol! Idol! No.
No time out here, 1 time out. Back to the ball game! Let's finish this! Let's finish this, guys! 3-point lead! 3 points! Ayun, may foul. Diba? Warning. Warning for penalty. 3 points. Uy, butik na mawala. Uy, nawala!
Jeremy!
Jeremy,
Wala na.
Yes, sir!
Time out! Teka lang. Time out!
70-71.
Time out! Wait! 6-9. Yeah. Hold.
Yes, sir, penalty.
70-71.
Both teams, wala na timeout. Both teams, wala na timeout. May foul ba na foul? Si Darwin.
Ganda ng laro.
Two shots. Penalty na for tonight.
3.5 seconds. 3.5 seconds.
Ayan na.
Jeremy. Nice game.
Thank you. Again, boys.
Tawagin mo sa kita.
3 points, getting the W for tonight.
Tawagin sa gitna.
Papatay pa tayo.
Jump.
24 points.
370.
Di ba picturean?
Tawagin mo sa gitna.
Ganda, pre.
Nakakain.
How's it going, guys?
Good. Alright, John. We're excited. Yeah. We're excited. Tawagin mo sa gitna.
Kevin, patuloy na lang sa ball game now. Ready na live ko sa Viva Max.
Oo, okay ba? There.
Okay, on the ball game natin for tonight. Kevin
Live.
Kevin with 24 points, 1 block, 1 assist, and 1 rebound. Straight from the Philippines. Anong masabi mo sa first round nyo?
Ayun, medyo nahirapan kayo mag-adjust muna. Pero nung uli, buti nakabawi din sa depensa.
Malupit talaga ang team point. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you.
Ano ba pasok niya?
Nakikita, pre. Nice game!
Picturean nyo, pa-send sa committee. Kulang to, yung stats.